And you know, when girls go through life changes, they always color their hair or they do something.
Well, that's the right choice. If you are, a lot of people are like, I want to go fucking platinum blonde.
No,
and then,
no, yeah.
That is way more doable. Yeah. I would have to cut it first anyway.
Yeah.
But that might be possible to knock out today.
Okay.
We'll see. I would love to.
We'll see.
We'll come back to that.
Yeah.
I think it's doable.
Yeah.
As far as cut goes.
As far as cuts,
your hair's been looking amazing.
Thank you. I feel like it needs, the first time we cut it, we put in so many layers and I loved it. Okay. And then I think the second time we went a little bit more conservative. We were trying to do something different and I really loved all the layers.
You like the aggressive approach. Cool.
Yes.
Trying to hold on to as much length as possible?
I'm indifferent.
Meh.
Nah, sure. I mean, if we can. I do kind of want a lot of fallout in my face. I like the idea of going for bangs, which, you know, I don't know.
Where's too short on you? Oh, you're gonna be a lot of room.
Yeah. Like it grows. Okay. It always grows back.
Gotcha. You throw it all around.
Yeah. So usually this is my go-to.
Love that.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
For as much volume, you know, for me, I want this.
You want it as big as it can be. I know, right?
As big as my personality.
Well, funny, a lot of people do. Anti-gravity root is something you don't have.
Yeah.
The super coily, it's like you can leave it 10 feet long and it's still going to want to stand up. So for you, that makes sense on the much more aggressive like layering to try to just get more action out of it. But when you go this way, you're fighting the cowlick. So it, got a little bit more lift to it. When you go this way, you get that similar too, but for whatever reason, this side is so much more chill.
Okay. Well, I can start doing it that way.
I mean, I'm all for you. It looks great. I'm just saying, if you're looking for that, if I'm able to come up a little bit, I might be able to put some sneaky pieces in here that give the kind of illusion of meeting the width down here. Yeah. But that's going to be in how we style it too. Yeah. And when we do it, you do your hair really well. Are you lifting and diffusing when you're trying to pump it up?
Yeah, I'm usually upside down the entire time. Like, I think at one point I figured out to just lay on my bed, on my stomach, and then throw my head forward, and then just, but I do like the little bangs in the front.
You said that. You said you wanted a lot of fallout.
Yeah.
Like, you want, when you tie it up, you want,
What is it? The wolf, is it wolf cut?
That's real aggressive.
Is it? Yeah. Are you, no? No? I feel like that's a no. That's the face of a no. What is it? The wolf, is it wolf cut?
That's real aggressive.
Is it? Yeah. Are you? No? No? I feel like that's a no. That's the face of a no.
This is my opinion. You tell me, like, I don't care about that's what I want, then we're going to do it. But if you don't put the time into styling it that day with your texture, it's just going to fall. You sacrifice a lot of density in here when you start hiking it up that high to kind of get that extreme from this long all the way down to this long. And when you don't pump it in, I don't want you to feel stringy. It's a strict style doing that.
I don't like those words. It feels like effort.
It doesn't seem like you. That's why I'm kind of like, Our girl as well, so that helps her too. Okay. It's definitely like that specific vibe. I understand you're trying to get away from the angelic a little bit, but I don't think you're going to be able to get that far away from it.
Okay, got it. It's not meant for me.
I know your wings are tucked in back here. Nobody else can see them, but again, I'm going to go hard on the layering. I'm just not going to push it up that high.
I trust.
Talking somebody out of a wolf cut is probably fucking terrible.